Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. From the craft sections of Dollar Tree, they had these wood hanging decors. They were really great, and of course these necklaces are also available in Dollar Tree that you can buy them. The labels were in the label section. They are pretty much like I think 40 stickers in one pack. They are really good. I really like them. I'm going to use a Sharpie to write down my letters, but you can always go ahead and use the alphabets from Dollar Tree, the English alphabets, and use them because they didn't have the Arabic alphabets. That's why I'm using a Sharpie to write it down. It is all about celebrating the holy month of Ramadan, so I'm making it a little bit glamorous for my prayer area, but I have more farmhouse look for the other sections of the house because I want to celebrate it as much as I can, and I'm sure you're going to do the same thing. I'm just giving you a few ideas. You can just go ahead and celebrate your Eid, write down Eid Mubarak and Happy New Year or anything you want. These are just a few ideas that I'm sharing. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and share your ideas in the comment section with me. I post new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to see my new videos notifications. And you can always go ahead and check my previous videos. This beautiful box is a very good size. I also got it from Dollar Tree. Actually, all the items that I'm using for this video are from Dollar Tree. But this box is very unique because I really liked it. It had a very good size. I can use it as an organizer for my desk, for the vanity area, or even I can use it for my space in the prayer area. I'm going to use matte podge. First I will apply one coat of matte podge and then I will sprinkle a few glitter. Once the area is fully covered with glitter, I'm going to use a second coat of matte podge over it, just because I do not want the glitters to be sprinkled all over my house. In the craft section of Dollar Tree, they had beautiful pieces that you could use them for your DIYs and decor ideas. I got these beautiful pieces of hanging unfinished wood decor, but because they were unfinished, I'm going to add them a little bit color. So I use chalk paint with watercolor and a little bit of water. I mix them and then I will apply it before using them as my project piece. This stencil is a very good one. I used it for my previous project. I really loved it, and now I'm using it for this one, and I think I'm going to use it for several other projects. It's going to keep your piece very neat. It does not need to be stayed for a long time to dry because I'm using chalk paint over the pieces. It's a very easy one to use. I hope you like these projects as much as I loved making them. Enjoy your Ramadan, stay safe, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.